Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change who can invite me to audio parties to my network on Tango. So let's get started. Firstly, open Tango app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on privacy. After that, tap on discoverability. Then you can see the option of audio room. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of my network. Tap on it. Next, tap on save. So this is how you can change who can invite me to audio room to my network on Tango. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.